Alright folks, Ray from Thunder Beast here. I have a Ultra 7 on a Ruger 308. I think it's like a 23-inch barrel or something. Ammo is PMC Gold. Meter is a B&K 2209. 136 and a quarter. $133 and a half. $138. That was a hot one. That one even felt a little hot. $136 and a half. And $137 and a half. Reset that. Pull this off. That's the flash hider I was using to mount the Ultra 7 II with gun. This is a SAS Reaper MX. This has a brake inside, a 2-port brake. I just screwed the brake in to act as a direct thread insert. I've seen some posts online where they claim this is 10 decibels quieter than the Ultra 7. I find that hard to believe, so we're going to check it. Over 140, that was a little sharp on my ears. Over 140 again. Over 140. So let's go up to the 140 scale. Right at about 138. Right at 139 and a half, 140. Obviously not 10 decibels quieter, it's actually a few decibels louder. Maybe in the next few days I'll do a mil-spec test, but it doesn't really matter. It's nowhere near as claimed, and it's actually louder. This just kind of showed it. That's all I need to know.